हेलो गाइज, मैं हूँ आपकी फ्रेंड संयोगिता सिंह। लेके आ चुकी हूँ एक नया वीडियो। ठीक है, मैं हूँ वीके कोमावत चैनल से। तो गाइज, अगर मेरे चैनल पे ना तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना और लाइक करना, शेयर कर देना, बिल्कुल भी मत जाना। तो गाइज, आज हम करने वाले हैं चैप्टर नंबर 4 अकाउंट का न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चंस। और वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले हम मिलते हैं एक छोटे से इंट्रो के बाद। तो चलो मिलते हैं छोटे से इंट्रो के बाद, तब तक लिए बाय। Guys, we are back here on our channel PK Kumawat. So today we are doing second question of our simple general entries. The second question is, what is general entry will be passed for the following. First entry is January 3 commenced business with cash. Its amount is 1 lakh. Second, January 7 purchased furniture. Its amount is 19,000. Third, January 15 purchased goods for cash is 25,000. So in this also we have to make general entry. So let's come to our answer. Guys, we are on the solution of our second question. Chapter 4 General Entry. Question 2 Simple Entries. So guys, this is our question 2. So first column of general entry, here it will come date, particular, ledger folio, debit, credit. So guys, we are here. First entry is given in our question is January 3 commenced business with cash. So here we will write cash account, debit to capital account. Its amount is given as in book 1 lakh. Second entry is given in book purchased furniture. Here date will come January 3, January 7. Here date will come, and here furniture account, debit. Here amount is given as 19,000. Third, January 15. Third entry is given in our book is purchase goods for cash. Amount is given as 25,000. Here third entry will come purchase account, debit to cash account. And here its amount is 25,000. What will be the total of this amount will be done at last. Total will come here. doing plus of this amount 1 lakh 19,000 25,000 0 0 0 9 5 14 carry over 1 3 1 4 and here 1. This is total, so total we will write here in front of this 144,000. This is our total amount. So guys, I am repeating this question. Those who does not understand, please see and watch again. Guys, I am repeating this question second. What general entries will be passed for the following 2070s? First entry is given as January 3, commence business with cash. Amount is given 1 lakh. January 7, purchase furniture. Amount is given 19,000. Third entry is given as January 15, purchase goods for cash 25,000. Total of general is 1,44,000. So we have solved it before. So I am repeating this question. Question second, simple entry, chapter 4, general entry. Question number 2, date January 3, entry cash account debit to capital account is 1 lakh its amount. It will come always in debit because it is general entry. Question 2, January 7, furniture account debit, amount is 19,000. January 15, third entry, purchase account debit to cash account 25,000. Its total is this, and amount is 1,44,000 as given as book total. So this is our answer. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, comment and give view.